Hey, this is Mitchell from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate the support. Let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial, where I will show you how to improve the sound of your hi-hats. Mastering the high frequency of your rhythm section is just as important as mastering the elements in the mid and low frequency ranges. Striking the right balance is essential. Hi-hats, shakers, and rides are some of the most commonly used aspects of the rhythm section high-frequency content, and in the following tutorial, I will show you a few tricks for improving the sound of your hi-hats. In the initial stage of the project, I had a single hi-hat sequence. I layered it with another hi-hat and ride sequence to enrich the overall rhythm high-frequency content. After I was satisfied with the groove and balance of all three elements, I grouped them together and processed them with a transient shaper to add more punch and body to balance with the other elements in the mix. Let's hear it before and after the processing. And finally the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.